In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best network cable testers available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the network cable testers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the network cable testers mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. NOYAFA NF826 High Voltage Wire Tracker. The NOYAFA NF826 is a portable and professional high-voltage wire tracker designed for electricians and technicians. It excels in locating telephone cables and detecting underground pipes. Its compact design makes it easy to carry to various job sites, and its accuracy ensures efficient identification and troubleshooting of cables. This tool is a valuable asset for professionals working with complex wiring systems, providing a reliable solution for cable finding in diverse applications. Number 4. UNI-T Network Cable Tester TDR-UT685BKIT. The UNI-T Network Cable Tester TDR-UT685BKIT is a comprehensive solution for cable testing and diagnostics. With time domain reflectometry (TDR) technology, it tracks and tests both RJ45 and RJ11 cables. The LCD display offers real-time feedback on cable conditions, enhancing user convenience. Ideal for network installations and maintenance, this cable tracker's versatility and compatibility with different connectors make it a valuable tool for professionals seeking accurate diagnostics and efficient troubleshooting. Number 3. NOYAFA NF8601S Multifunctional RJ45 Cat6 Network Cable Tester. The NOYAFA NF8601S is a multifunctional cable tester tailored for RJ45 and Cat6 networks. Featuring PoE/PING/port functionalities and an LCD display, it provides accurate measurements of cable length and detailed wire mapping. This versatile tool is essential for network troubleshooting, offering insights into network conditions beyond standard wire testing. Its user-friendly design, combined with advanced features, makes it a go-to choice for professionals seeking an all-encompassing solution for network cable diagnostics. Number 2. NOYAFA NF8601S Cable Tester with PoE/PING function. The NOYAFA NF8601S Cable Tester is a dedicated tool with PoE/PING functions, focusing on efficient and versatile cable testing. It measures cable length, conducts wire mapping, and performs network diagnostics. With a particular emphasis on PoE/PING capabilities, it is suitable for professionals requiring precise testing in various applications. The streamlined design and comprehensive testing capabilities make it an efficient and reliable network cable tester for technicians aiming to identify and resolve issues swiftly. Number 1. NOYAFA NF8601S Network Cable Tester. Topping the list is the NOYAFA NF8601S Network Cable Tester, a multifunctional tool incorporating time domain reflectometry (TDR) length testing with PoE/PING/port functionalities. This advanced cable tester goes beyond standard wire mapping, providing comprehensive diagnostics for network cables. Its ability to measure cable length, detect PoE voltage, and assess port conditions makes it indispensable for technicians engaged in network maintenance and diagnostics. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, the NF8601S stands out as a top-tier solution for professionals seeking a holistic approach to network cable testing and troubleshooting.